just now, one position maybe for the non-Muslim. I think that is when the time comes, or when the needs is at the time really we have to accommodate this, the position to the non-Muslim, then we will decide. But for the time being, I'm very worried about in these few years how we can maintain the support that significantly received, especially in the last election. This is our great challenge: how we are able to fulfill our obligation, and how we are going to fulfill their needs in our way forward to maintain the support from the non-Muslim.
The reason why this I'm addressing this notion is because there are some activists that will actually say that if actually PAS opens up its doors to the non-Muslim as full members and probably create some positions, PAS probably will be a bigger party, even bigger than PKR and DAP, if that ever happens. So in your view, if PAS do open up, do you think PAS would become a bigger party than PKR and DAP, and probably PAS could even move out of Pakatan and become a sole national party by itself? What is your
from my opinion, at this stage, I guess no need, and it is not what do you call it? It is not bukan satu suara. It is not truly a need for the non-Muslim to accept them to be a PAS members. They know PAS very well, and we proved it when we founded Dewan Himpunan Penyokong PAS. I think that they are very satisfied with the rooms and space that we have accommodated to them, and they're playing their role, especially to help us gaining the Malay support, and also to the non-Muslim support, and also to educate non-Muslim was really PAS in their struggle with our Islamic as our policy. I think that's the need for us to be more serious, to educate, not forcing them to embrace Islam, but to spread the knowledge that Islam is a religion that can accommodate and struggle their right. That is more important, and I think it is not PAS will not change their identity as an Islamic party, and our great challenge is how the HPP will playing a very significant role in our objective to explain and to educate the non-Muslims how Islam is safe, and how Islam will protect their right from the beginning. And our ties in Pakatan Rakyat, we so call it as Tahaluf Siyasi. This was endorsed by Majlis Shura. So it's not an issue that we have to. It's a need for us to review our ties with Pakatan Rakyat. Maybe you just throw the question because of the ulama a few months ago in the Multaqa Ulama. I think the word review itself, I realize that there is a positive and negative connotation, but positively, as a Vice President today, we still our engagement, our role, our commitment with Pakatan is very strong and is always growing strong. And I myself, maybe it is one of my vision, big vision, if I'm still elected in our Muktamar in the middle of November. We will ensure that I myself will ensure that our task is to strengthen Pakatan Rakyat. This is the only way at this stage that we can move forward to make Malaysia in the next future, in the near future, that we have two-party system. That is our and to ensure that our past will play a very important role, not only for positioning itself in Pakatan Rakyat, but to strengthen Pakatan Rakyat as our big brother in Pakatan Rakyat, as well as DAP and also PKR.